Oh my, I didn't see you there. Oh, I better put these away. Silly me. I'm your friendly neighborhood YouTuber, Chase. Welcome to my kitchen. We're doing another cooking video backed by popular demand because, ladies and gentlemen, the weekend's coming up and you want a nice way to impress your significant other with a delicious homemade meal because nothing says I love you like some food in the stomach. And yet again, as always, I am here with the main chef herself, Sammy!
Hey guys!
Hey guys! Alright Sammy, so what are we cooking tonight? Because already, like, what's in the Instapot right now? I mean, even that alone is starting to kind of smell good in here, that steam. What are we cooking tonight?
We are cooking spaghetti squash and garlic butter chicken.
Now what is spaghetti squash?
It is a squash.
Turn to spaghetti! Guys, I know. Summer's coming up, you want to get that nice body. Probably the best way to do it, don't eat those carbs, you know, keep the bread out. So instead of noodles, we're replacing spaghetti noodles with spaghetti squash. I don't know, we've never had it before. This is a first time meal for us too, so we're gonna be learning right along with you. So now to make this, what all do we need?
So we need a squash, a large one, or if you want 2 small ones.
To be fair, size doesn't matter.
If you just want to feed 2, probably 1 small one will be enough, but if you want to feed more than that, probably 1 large one or 2 small ones. We have our olive oil, we have parsley, 3 cloves of garlic minced, or you can cheat it.
It's a tube of garlic. I've never seen something more gross looking in my life.
Italian seasoning.
Besides mayo.
A half stick of butter.
Unsalted butter.
Unsalted butter, yes.
Very important. Unsalted. We're eating healthy tonight, everybody.
We have our half and half.
Organic half and half.
And some salt and pepper just to season the chicken.
You know, the typical, just a pinch.
And our lemon.
So the first thing that we're gonna do to get started is we're gonna cut our squash. And been working out recently, so we're gonna show just how well I can cut through. Ooh, this is difficult. This is a little tough. Hold on, it's alright. I'll be able to figure this out. Oh yeah, look at that cut. Now you can cut it horizontally, vertically. The direction does not matter. There's gonna be some jump cuts happening here.
Even cooking.
Yeah, look at that. There we go. But now, essentially, it looks like Halloween. We're having Halloween in May. So now, just like Halloween, everyone's favorite job, you gotta gut it. You know, we should have carved these first, like a jack-o'-lantern face.
Yeah.
That'd be cool. No, not feeling it. Trick or treat.
I feel like it'd be really hard to cut and curve. Alright, so after you finish carving it, we are going to use an Instapot. So we are going to put a cup of water into our Instapot here.
So you can really use anything. You can use the Instapot, you can use an oven, you can bake it in a microwave. It's just all preference there. The reason why you gotta bake it first is because that's how you get your noodles, essentially. You have to bake it, loosen it up, steam it.
This I feel like is maybe the quickest. The microwave might be slightly quicker, but to use the Instapot, you're going to put it in there, just like that, with the water underneath.
Alright, no, not over here. So,
make sure that it's on sealing. Then we are going to manual 7 minutes and start it.
It's chicken time!
Alright.
No one saw that coming.
Alright, so for this part, you're going to reserve 1 teaspoon of your Italian seasoning. So you'll have a tablespoon left, and you'll have your salt and pepper.
Man, these are some big breasts.
You've already made that joke
I'll just take
before.
my exit now.
Get
I'll
off
just
the
take my
stage!
exit. Yeah, I'll
You've
leave.
used that before.
Alright, fine, I'm out of here.
Alright, so we're just gonna go ahead and sprinkle our chicken with some salt and pepper.
Hey Noah, I bet you'll start shaking. Bet you can't hold that still.
And also with our Italian seasoning.
Don't do that. You're messing up your own video.
Alright, so now we're gonna do the other one with Italian seasoning. And flip the chicken.
Consider it flipped.
Wow, you are just a comedian.
Well, I'm not too great at the cooking part. That's your job. I'm just here for, you know, commentary purposes.
Alright. And you're gonna do the same thing to these sides that you did to the other sides. Salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Now you'll want to heat your oil in your pan. So,
Come with us, Mr. Cameraman. We will show you the way.
so on medium heat, you will put your olive oil in. Remember, that's 2 tablespoons. So we're gonna let this heat for a second.
Being bullied.
I'm being bullied.
Call in the bully hunters.
Alright, so once that heats up, you're gonna go ahead and put your chicken breasts in.
There you go. Now that looks good.
And you're gonna cook for about 5 minutes on each side.
Everybody, this is our faithful cameraman, Noah.
Stop!
Noah, are you hungry?
Yeah, I guess so.
Good, we're gonna eat.
Okay.
So if you have some thick breasts like we do,
Yeah, we do.
it might take a little bit longer to cook.
What can I say? It's our thick breasts. Alright, get off me. Get off me.
Get out of
Back
here.
Fine, I'll take my leave again.
Alright, so if your chickens were like ours, they took forever to cook. So you can kind of cut them a little bit just to get them cooking a little bit faster, speed up the process. This still needs a little bit of time.
You know, big breasts, they're a blessing and a curse.
Ain't that the truth?
Peanut's joining us for dinner now. Hey, girl. Hey, P. Where are you going? Yeah, it smells good, doesn't it? And now for your new host, Peanut.
Hi guys, my name's Peanut. I really like food, and honestly, like this food just smells so good. Like I'm so excited. I don't know why I'm so excited my arms are just stiff. Stiff as a bone. Okay, yeah, oh, yeah.
Alright, in the same pan that your chicken was cooking, we're going to make our sauce. So you're going to add your butter, melt that down. And to that butter, you're going to add your garlic.
Minced or tubed, doesn't matter. A nice tubed garlic.
You're going to get that to be very fragrant. You're just going to kind of cook it down.
Make sure you turn the burner down to like a 2 to simmer, yeah?
Yeah. So now you're going to add your half and half slowly. Make sure you keep that mixing. smells really good.
Yeah, it does.
Give this a good whisk here. Now we're going to add our 1 teaspoon reserved. Give that a good mix. And something that we forgot.
We made an oopsie.
The red pepper flakes. You really just need a pinch of this just to kind of give it a little bit of flavor here.
Some nice lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice.
And give that all a good mix.
So, we made another oopsie. Pretty important part of this meal. The Parmesan cheese. Shredded Parmesan cheese. Wow, 2 oopsies in one video.
So maybe we weren't really prepared for this video.
No. We're never really prepared for any video though.
That's true. Alright, so it's just a half a cup.
Eyeball time.
We like it really cheesy anyway.
Yes,
so
we do. More cheese the merrier.
We just kind of put a handful in. You can add more or less, whatever suits your liking.
The more cheese you add, men, the more time you can spend on your nice personal porcelain throne. If you know what I mean.
Ew. Alright, now we're gonna add our chicken. So if you didn't already do so, you can go ahead and cut your chicken into pieces, slices, whatever you like. Definitely make sure that it's completely done.
Yeah, I like that medium rare chicken.
No, they're all mostly good.
It's official. We will be spending more time on the porcelain throne.
No.
We're going to get that salmonella tonight. Switch it over to venting.
Yeah.
I want to capture this.
Oh man, this like scares me. This is like Hawaii right here, right now. Oh.
Oh, well, it released on its own.
Pressure's alright. Oh. Should we be careful opening it then?
No, it's fine.
Alright.
Normally, you would not manually release your spaghetti squash, but we did, so we'll see how this turns out.
We were so well put together for this video. Guys, linked at the end of this video will be the first video we did, and the second, chicken primavera, and homemade, what? Oh yeah, I remember, yeah. If you guys want to know what she's chuckling about when we say chicken primavera, just watch the video at the end. It's really good eating. The Taco Bell, homemade Taco Bell Crunch Wrap Supremes. Both of those videos will be linked here at the end of this video. Ooh, look at that. Look at that amazingness.
You agree?
Yeah, give me some, give me some.
Alright, so we are going to go ahead and take these out and shred them.
Ooh, it's like Christmas morning. So to get your noodles, bring it closer, cameraman. Stop picking your nose.
I'm not picking my nose.
You take a fork and just start shredding it. Oh wow, that's coming along really nicely. Look at that. And now essentially it just looks kind of like angel hair, skimpy, thin noodles. All right, so
Waiting time.
that's right. Oh boy, this is the best time! Again, I'll just take my leave. I'm not eating dinner tonight.
That's
exiled.
a very good idea.
Yeah. And now, the moment that we've all been waiting for this entire video. The plating part.
I'll take over from here.
No trust in my plating skills.
So you want to take some of your spaghetti squash.
That looks pretty good.
Your chicken. Fancy little design on it. And your finishing touch, your parsley. And that's it.
Alright.
Time to enjoy.
That's right. No food for you, cameraman. This is all for the
This is yours,
stars.
cameraman.
It's there somewhere.
Doesn't know how to- Depth perception.
I was
key.
looking through the camera.
Tell you what, ooh, this does smell good actually.
I know.
This smells really, really good. I can't wait to eat this. I'm sure you guys at home can't wait to eat this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoy our cooking videos, let us know in the comment section below. And really let us know by slapping a like on this video. If you guys want us to cook something, go ahead and give us a dinner idea in the comment section below. If you haven't already joined the best community on YouTube, the #1 channel, both in your hearts and on YouTube, go ahead and subscribe and turn on that alert notification bell to Chase TV. Oh, I am ready to dig into this dish. You did a great job.
Thanks.
Guys, let's get a round of applause for our co-host here. And with that being said, guys, remember, as per usual, I love you, and Chase...
Oh yeah.
And Chase is signing out. She says bye.
I did a peace sign.
Hey guys, happy little update. It's delicious.